Good morning. Today we are going to see the lecture number 54, the problems in model number 4 in alternator. Okay, problem 1. A three-phase star connected alternator has the following data. Voltage required to be generated on open circuit equal to 4000 volt at 50 hertz. Speed equal to 500 rpm. Slots per pole per phase equal to 3. Conductors per slot equal to 2. Okay. Calculate number of poles and useful flux per pole. Okay. And useful flux per pole. Assume all conductors per phase to be connected in series and coils to be full pitch. Okay. Okay. This is one of the university question. Will be from JNT University, Hyderabad. Okay. You see this question. A three-phase star connected alternator. Okay. The voltage required to be generated during open circuit, it is 4000 volt. That is, when they are doing the open circuit, at that time they can able to generate the voltage 4000 volt at a 50 hertz supply, and the speed is 500 rpm. Now, by using this data, you are going to calculate how many number of poles as well as flux. How much flux will be available per pole? We are going to calculate. And also they are given the assumption that all the conductors per phase to be connected in series and coils to be full pitch. Okay, solution. Solution. The first one, you see, the first one will be you are going to calculate number of pole. Number of poles. So can anyone tell me what is the notation for number of poles? What is the notation for number of poles? Anyone? Can you please give me the answer? It should be interaction. Please give me the answer.
P.
P. Okay. Capital P is the notation for number of poles. Okay. So we know the formula. You know that synchronous speed Ns equal to 120 Fs by P. So from this you can calculate P. Okay, Ns value how much? So from this P equal to 120 Fs by Ns. Now substitute the parameter. 120 into Fs supply frequency, you see the questions, 50 Hz. 120 into 50 divided by synchronous speed. How much speed? It is 500 RPM. So please give the answer. 120 into 50 divided by 500. You will get 12. Therefore, number of poles equal to 12. Okay, P equal to 12. And second subdivision. Okay, second one. First one we have calculated number of poles. Second one you are going to calculate flux. Useful flux per. The notation will be phi. Okay. Now how to calculate this flux per pole? So what is the relationship between the EMF generated and the flux? Can anyone? What is the formula? EMF generated E equal to 4.44 kp kd flux supply frequency into number of turns. This E value will be a generated EMF, but as per your question they have mentioned the generated EMF on open circuit is 4000 volt. Okay, this 4000 it is generated. Okay, it is generated voltage. So this value will be a line voltage, E line. E line. Okay, so E line from the question, E line equal to 4000 volt. Okay, from question, from the question. Okay, it is given line voltage EL equal to 4000 volt, except you don't know the kp kd. Supply frequency we know. Okay, supply frequency it is 50. You don't know the number of turns. Now we are going to calculate step by step. Okay, first one, kp. You see the assumption. You see the assumption. Here, assume all conductors per phase to be connected in series. The coils which should be full pitch. So, in terms of coils are connected in full pitch, what is the assumption? In full pitch, what is the notation which we are using for pitch factor? For full pitch, the coils are full pitch. It is there in your question. The coils are full pitch. So, in full pitch, what is the value for pitch factor? Kp. Kp equal to
2p is equal to 1.
Okay. Kp equal to 1. It is pitch factor. Now we are going to calculate Kd. Kd is the distribution factor. Kd equal to, can anyone give me the formula for Kd, distribution factor? Please give me the formula for Kd.
Sin m beta by 2 by m sin beta by 2.
Good. sine m beta by 2 whole divided by m into sine beta by 2, where m is the number of slots per pole per phase and beta will be the, what is beta? It will be angular displacement. You don't know what is m, what is b. Now we are going to calculate m and b. So m means, you know that, what is m? Can anyone? M value.
Sir, M is given in the question, sir.
M how much? What is there? M. Tell me.
3
Slots per pole per base 3.
slots per pole per phase.
Per phase. Okay, it is given already in your question itself. They have given m equal to 3. Okay, take down from the question. Okay, from the question here I will write. From the question m equal to 3. What happened to beta? How to find beta? Angular displacement. Beta equal to 180 degree divided by n. So n value how much? N, number of slots per pole. N value, number of slots per pole. How to calculate? How to calculate this n?
9.
How much? How to got a 9? How you got 9? Ashwanan, how you got it? Number of slots per pole. We are having n equal to
Sir, M into 3.
m into 3. This 3 is nothing but 3 phase. So m equal to, it's already there, m equal to 3. So 3 into 3 will get 9. Okay, n equal to 9. This value substitute. 180 degree divided by 9. You will get 20 degree electrical. Okay, electrical. Now substitute this all the parameter in our KD equation. Sine m value 3 into beta 20 degree divided by 2 whole divided by 3 into sine 20 degree divided by 2. So therefore KD equal to how much, ma? KD, anyone? Distribution factor KD equal to how much? Point 9598. 0.9598. Okay. Now Fs, it is 50. Flux only you are going to calculate T value. How to calculate a T? Number of turns per phase. How to calculate T? T equal to, what is the formula? Anyone? T equal to Zp divided by 2. So your conductors are connected in series. In your question it is series. So what is the formula for Zp? Zp equal to how much? Here you see all the conductors per phase to be connected in series. So Zp equal to 3 into number of conductors per slot. Okay, Zp equal to 3 into number of conductors per slot. From your question it is 12. Okay, 12 whole divided by 2. 3 into 12 divided by 2. So what is the answer? It is 18. It is 18. Number of turns, it is 18. So therefore T equal to 18. Okay. Now rewrite this above formula. Okay, this formula. So flux per pole equal to EL divided by 4.44 kp kd fs into T. Now substitute all the parameter. EL value it is 4000 whole divided by 4.44 into kp value 1, kd value 0.9598 into frequency 50, T value 18. T value 18. Here in the formula itself, you see here this EMF generator, it should be the EMF per phase. Okay, it is the formula is generated EMF per phase. Okay, that is E. Okay, but as per your question, it is star connected, right? It is star connected. Star connected, you know, line voltage. E stands for voltage, or otherwise you can mention EMF also. Both are same. Okay, the voltage which you can measure in E or V. Okay, line voltage EL equal to root 3 into E phase. This is E phase. This is E phase. So I can rewrite this formula. EL by what I have to put here? EL divided by root 3. Instead of E phase, I have given EL by root 3. So here you have to root 3 into 4.55. So what happened to the flux per pole? Anyone? Flux per pole, that is 5. What's the answer? Anyone? Please give me the answer, ma. Flux, how much? Phi equal to how much? Flux phi equal to how much? Please give me the answer. phi equal to Ashu Anand. Point 602 Weber. The unit for flux, Weber. The unit for flux is Weber. You peoples are there. Only 33 students are present. Okay, I'll mark that. For remaining people, I will mark absent. Are you understand? Sartak Das, you got this answer? Flux per pole, phi equal to 0.602 Weber. You got it?
Yes, but your screen is not visible, sir, currently.
Currently, it's not visible.
Sir,
Oh,
we couldn't hear you so long, sir.
okay. Maybe it is a network issue, man. Because here network problem. Now the screen is visible. Now the screen is visible.
Yes, sir, voice is also breaking, sir.
Yeah, it is a network issue. Okay, it's a network issue.
Yes, sir, visible.
Okay. So the flux per pole, it is 0.602. You have any doubts? The voltage value which has been mentioned in your question, it is a line voltage. During open circuit they have mentioned. Okay, as per our EMF generated formula, EMF equation, E phase is equal to 4.44. Since the machine will be star connected, we know that star connected line voltage is equal to root 3 into V phase. Okay, here I mentioned E. You can mention the voltage symbol in terms of V or E. Both are acceptable. So that E value I have put it here, EL by root 3. Okay, so from this equation I substituted all the parameter. So therefore I got flux phi equal to 0.602 Weber. 0.602 Weber. Any doubts?
Sir, can you explain the T calculation, sir?
Huh? Which calculation?
T.
Oh, T calculation. See, this T equal to ZP by 2. This is the formula. Okay, ZP will be the ZP is nothing but, again I will explain here. ZP is number of conductors connected in series per phase. Number of connected in series per phase. So ZP equal to it is in series, ZP equal to 3. 3 is nothing but number of phases into number of conductors per slot, it is 12. This 3 stands for phase. There are 3 phases RYP which is connected in series, and this 12 is nothing but conductors per slot. Okay, ZP equal to 3 into 12. This value only I have substituted here. Okay, this is ZP. Three into 12 divided by 2. You got T, where T is nothing but number of turns, series turns per phase, because it is connected in series. Your question itself I clearly mentioned it is series. Here you see Okay, all the conductors per phase to be connected in series. So the T is nothing but number of series turns per phase. Are you understand? Ashu Ananda, you got it? Are you got it?
Sir, conductors is equal to number of slots into number of conductors per slot.
Number of slots? No, it's already given, right? Conductors per slot will be 2. Okay, conductors per slot will be 2.
Sir, ZP is equal to slots into number of
Slots into number of
slots we have to multiply now. Sir.
number of slots into number of conductors per slot. Okay, number of wait. I will tell. ZP equal to
Yes, sir. Not multipliers.
yeah. Wait. Number of slots.
Yes, sir. We have to multiply number of slots now. Sir.
Wait. Into number of conductors per slot. Okay. So how many number of slots are there? How many number of slots? It should be 3, right? 3. In your question it is there, right? It is there. Number of slots per
9, sir. 9.
9. Oh, 9.
M is given, sir.
Okay. It is 9, right? Number of slots, man. Wait. 1 second. N equal to N is nothing but number of slots per pole. Okay, I am talking about number of slots. How many number of slots are there in your question? It is 3.
Not given, sir.
Not given.
No, sir. Not given.
So number of slots per pole, how much you got it? 3, right? In terms of phase, if you calculate 9 divided by 3, how much? You will get 3 value. So number of slots will be 3 per for every conductors. Okay, it will be 3 slots will be available. Okay, so 3 into 12. 3 into 12. You see here. You go through this question. Here, n is nothing but this n stands for number of slots per pole. Okay, n equal to 9. Now, if you calculate in terms of phases, how many slots are connected in every phase? It should be 3. Okay, we have to divide this 9 divided by 3. You will get 3 slots. Okay, you will get 3 slots. Are you understand my point? You got it?
Okay, sir.
Okay, you got it. Okay. Now substitute all the parameter in your above formula. Then you will get flux per pole. Any doubts, students? Okay. Then next problem. Problem 2. Here 3.75 megavolt ampere 10 kilovolt 3 phase 50 hertz 10 pole low speed hydro generator has 144 slots containing a 2-layer diamond winding with 5 conductors per coil side in each slot. The coil span is 12 slot pitches. The flux per pole is 0.116 Weber. Calculate the phase EMF. Calculate the phase EMF. Solution. What they are asking, calculate the phase EMF. Phase EMF EP equal to 4.44 kd kp flux into frequency into number of turns. This is the formula, generated EMF formula for the alternator. Now, as per your question, you see the parameters. Flux value is available. What is flux? Phi equal to 0.116 Weber. Flux is available. Then frequency. Fs equal to 50 Hertz. It's given. Now you have to calculate Kd, Kp, number of turns T. Okay, number of turns T. So how to calculate this Kd? Kd equal to the formula sine m beta by 2 whole divided by m into sine beta by 2. Okay, m is nothing but slots per pole per base. Slots per pole per phase is nothing but m. M equal to, how to calculate? How many slots are there? How many slots? It is 144 divided by how many poles are available? You see 10 divided by how many phase? 3. So how much? 144 slots, pole 10, phase 3. So 144 divided by 10 divided by 3. So how much? Can anyone please give me the answer? Students, girls?
4.8. 4.8.
4.8. Okay, m equal to 4.8. Now calculate beta. Beta equal to 180 degree divided by n. So 180 degree, this n is nothing but number of slots per pole. Okay, so 144, number of slots is 144 divided by number of poles is 10. So how much, ma? N is nothing but number of slots per pole. What is the answer? Final answer? Beta equal to 12.116 You got 12.5 degree. Okay. Now substitute these two parameters in your KD equation. Therefore, KD equal to sine 4.8 into 12.5 divided by 2 whole divided by 4.8 into sine 12.5 divided by. Can anyone give me the answer for KD? KD equal to how much more? KD equal to KD answer. Students, please give me the answer KD. Distribution factor KD equal to how much? It is point. You got 9568. 0.9568. And KP also you want to. KP is nothing but a pitch factor. KP is nothing but pitch factor. The formula for pitch factor cos alpha by 2. Alpha is nothing but chording angle. Chording angle is nothing but alpha. Alpha equal to the formula total 180 degree minus coil span equal to 180 degree. Coil span is nothing but how much coil span? Coil span is nothing but it is there in your question. Coil span is 12 slot pitches. 12 slot pitches means 12 into 12 into beta. Okay, coil span it's already given 12 slots per pitch. 12 slot pitches. So 12 into angular displacement beta. So therefore 180 degree minus 12 into beta value, it is 12.5. So what is the value for this alpha? How much? Alpha you got it? Alpha you will get 30 degree. Okay, this parameter substitute here. Cos 30 degree divided by 2. So you will get Kp equal to 0.9659. Okay, so this both the parameter and the T also we are going to calculate number of turns. T equal to Zp by 2, where Zp is nothing but number of conductors connected. So Zp equal to, how to calculate Zp? Number of slots, how much? How to calculate Zp, ma? Anyone? Zp equal to number of slots into number of conductors per slot. Okay, number of slots will be how much? It is 144. 144 into number of conductors 5 into in every slot, because it is coil side in each slot, that is each slot is having both sides. Okay, that is two sides it's having. It should be multiplied with 2 whole divided by 2 into number of phases. This 3 stands for number of phases. This 144 stands for number of conductors, 5 conductors per coil. This 5 stands for number of conductors per coil in each slot. This 2 stands for it should be connected in both sides, because in hydro generator it should be connecting both sides. It will be called 144 into 5 into 2 divided by 2 into 3. So therefore T equal to 240. This is number of turns per phase. Okay, so this all the parameters now you are going to substitute in our formula. So therefore EP equal to 4.44 into 0.9568 into 0.9659 into 0.116 flux into 50 into 240. So therefore EP equal to 5712 volt. 5712 volt. Any doubts?